Welcome, my daughter. Thank you for heeding our call.
Rano, Lisa. Here lies the heir to the royal rock of Izuruke. He is under a curse placed upon him by your auntie. It is revealed to me that only you can break the curse by whipping his royal hair. Please do it, please, my daughter.
Is this why I was called? Answer me! To save the life of the man who wanted me dead! A man who threw me out of this community without looking back! A man who sent his guards to flog my grandmom till her death! You want me to save him? I will not! I will never do it! Hey!
Let me go, daughter, please. Please, my daughter.
My daughter. Today, all that needs to be known has been revealed to you. I have forgiven him. The curse has been broken.
I shall weave his hair.
Only Sabini Guedalo.
Thank you, my daughter. extremely grateful. Rather, Izuroke owes its present existence to you.
Only Olisa Benigwe should be praised.
Ralo.
Oh, no, my prince, don't do that.
I want to say thank you for accepting to weave my hair, even after the manner I treated you.
It's well, my prince.
My daughter, for your immense contribution to this clan, I want you to place a demand on this clan, and I will ensure that it is met. I want you to place a demand for anything. Land, livestock, new hut, anything. Just place a demand.
I demand of nothing more than the chance to live in my father's compound. Once again, Your Highness.
That shall be granted. In the meantime, my wife Ureka is preparing a delicious meal for you herself at the back of the house.
Rejoice. Creator of heaven and earth, provider and protector of your people. We praise you for your goodness. We praise you for you hear us when we call upon you. And we thank you for saving your people and healing the land.
My daughter, the time for shedding tears is over. We are indeed very sorry for the pains that it has brought you. All the same, I want to assure you that this is the beginning of a very good thing for you. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right, eh? Biko.
It's okay. The guards will help you with everything you need and ensure that you lack nothing.
And whenever you are faced with any challenge, just come straight to the palace and report it. It will be taken care of, just like the clan's leader has advised you. Did you hear that? It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. That's all right.
Super everywhere.
Happy to see you full of life again.
I owe it all to you.
You are my blood. We did not only come out from the same womb, we shared it at the same time.
Thank you.
It's okay. You see? It's okay.
It's really grave. Abanobi, we must arrange for a soul's marriage within the next 21 market days. so as to consolidate the sacrifice of protection made.
Eronini, I am no longer a boy. I have seen times and seasons. Tell me, is this just because of the rights?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, there is something else I should know.
Baba Nobi, all men must live. All men must go.
It's okay.
Your destiny lies in the palace, my daughter.
Mama.
Huh?
How do you mean? I don't understand.
You will be married in the next 21 market days. Huh? The revelation has been brought to you. You know what to do.
Mama, I can never be married to that beast.
The choice lies in your hand.
How is the prettiest girl in this room? Ralolis, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Why the cold reception?
Maybe because I want to be left alone.
Both of you were summoned for something very, very important. But I will leave your father to speak to both of you.
My dear sons, before I say anything, I want to bless you with my father's blessings. May Olisabinigwe always be with both of you. May your path shine bright. May evil never find its way to you. Our existence on earth is governed by time. There is time for everything. A time to sow and a time to reap. A time to be born and a time to go and be with Olisa.
also. In a sense, you are to find your bride within the next 21 market days, so as to consolidate the rite of protection you performed, and to prepare you to ascend the ancient royal rock of Isuroke. My son.
If I may suggest, I will plead with my sons to get their brides and get married the same day, so as to get your father's blessings. Please, my children.
As it stands now, I have no one in mind. And I'm afraid anyone would want to be married to a brutal and ruthless prince.
It's so.
Don't talk like that. I'm sure you will find love. As for me, I already have someone in mind. Greetings, wise one.
Greetings, Jakube.
I have come to show you the one my heart beats for.
Did you say the one your heart beats for?
Yes, the same one I told you and my father about. And she has confirmed that her destiny lies here in this palace.
Daughter of old and ancient order, what do I hear?
My destiny lies in the palace, but not with him. With him.
I don't like this. I don't. What was the meaning of that? Eh? Can't I get what I want?
Can you please calm down? Your father is not in good health.
I don't care. Must I be tossed around like a bastard? Can't I have what I want? Can't I get what I deserve or desire?
Excuse me.
Why must this sideline me all because he came out first?
Excuse me.
Don't excuse me. Listen, I will not come down on this. I will not come down on this. I've lost it.
Can you please calm down?
Get everybody work. Come on. Step back.
Brother, you don't seem okay.
A man deprived of his heart desire won't be.
Is it about the girl?
Yes, sir. I have played second fiddle to you all my life. I have respected you. I have honored you, though we were born on the same day.
I know. I understand.
Please. Leave Ralodisa for me.
I'm shocked. I'm surprised. I wonder why this will fall on me. I honestly do not have any interest in that girl. I wonder why she would want someone who has maltreated her so much as a husband. I wonder.
Always Obunam. Whatever the case may be, do not accept Ralodisa. I repeat, do not accept Ranoli's.
I have not known this. You must tell me what I should know.
There is nothing you should know. Nothing.
My brother is deeply hurt. I thought both of you were getting along. I thought there was something...
Edo, please! Leave!
Do not ask me to leave when you haven't given me an answer to what I demand.
What exactly do you want to hear?
The truth. Why do you suddenly accept to weave my royal hair? And why do you seem so comfortable getting married to the beast of a prince?
Since you insist, I'll tell you. You are not the beast. You are not. You have been manipulated all your life.
What are you talking about?
Yes, you heard me.
What is going on? What's happening here?
What troubles you, my friend? Will stop acting like a blind man. You are impeded in your limbs, not your eyes.
Is it about the girl?
Who else?
You act as though you were truly in love with her.
Listen, Eso will never marry Ranolisa.
But you lost your chance when you had it.
How was I supposed to know that a Ronini would take us on a flight?
Then let the battle begin.
Greetings to you all. I have called you all here because there is brewing tension in my homestead. And if not handled correctly, it may cause enmity between my two sons.
Abanobi, please, can we hear what it is so that we know how to handle it?
As you all know, my health is failing me by the day. And having performed the rites of protection, my son Eso should be married soon.
Is he having problem finding a bride?
Zubby Micheal has already found him someone.
Then Why are you troubled?
The trouble is that both my sons have been blessed with love for the same girl.
Who is this girl?
Olisa.
I think it's a good thing. But both of them are here. Let us hear from them.
Father, my elders, it is not my making that I stepped into this world first. And by virtue of that, being given certain preferential treatments over my brother Jokube. As regards the girl in question, prior to this time, I never had any interest in her. But since Olisa has ordained it and haven't spoken with her, I wish to do as Olisa has said.
You lie. All my life I have lived under the shadow of a man I was born into this world on the same day with. All in the name that he came out first. When he was sick, I stood by him. I stood by Father. I stood by our people. I sacrificed everything just to see him fine. But now the only thing that gives me joy, the one I love, cherish and desire, he wants to take.
Jekube, my son, it is true that you have been a very good and obedient boy all this while. You have stood by me. You have stood by the land. But this is beyond us. It is the decision of Olisa Binigwe. And I plead with you, before all these elders, to please sheath your sword and allow your brother Izo to have the girl.
No, brother, no! Over my dead body.
Then so be it!
Are you this ungrateful? I saved your life, remember?
Oh, really? Did you actually save my life? You want Olisa, right? Okay then. Go ahead and talk to Father. Tell the elders how much you want this rock.
I swear by my royal hair, always Sogunam, you will never ascend this royal throne.
Jekube, the first will always remain the first.
Jekube! Hey!
I'm sorry. Everything was falling in line before now. I will do everything to ensure that Jekube sits on that royal rock.
Yeah.
We did not anticipate that the seer would take them on his royal flight.
Yeah. You will be our access to the Izuruke clan. You will rise against your brother and take over the royal rock of Izuruke. Then you will open up the clan for us. Soon you will begin to understand the language of this clan, just like I now do. You are now ready. Go forth, my friend. I shall join you soon. Jeku, where are you?
So you couldn't find me?
Where have you been?
You will never find me.
I've been looking for you since.
You must be prepared for what lies ahead. It's not a battle of flesh and blood, but of great principalities of power. But Mama, what must I do? Stretch out your hand. All you need, you now have. Aisha must not be killed. You must protect him at all times. This is your lifelong choice.
that you've been wondering why I brought you out for this work. From the very first day you started working in this house, I can boldly say that you are a well-trained girl. And that you make a good wife to whoever that decides to marry you.
Thank you, my queen.
And I'm also aware that you know the rift between my sons about your friend.
It's so saddening.
Zipporara.
My queen.
I would like you to do something for me.
Anything. All you need to is ask.
Zipporara, could you please marry Jekube, my son? Zipporara.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
I believe so too. How is your brother?
He's still not accepting it.
I don't think he ever will.
What's that?
It's nothing. It's just a harmless fly.
Is someone there?
No, just relax. There is no one there. It's just that recently some guinea fowl has been straying towards the spot at night. Just that.
Okay. I should be running along now.
Oh, really? Alright. May Osebluwa be with you. Be careful.
I will. Thank you.
They cannot still understand what we are talking about. Of course, my brother, they can't understand. So that is it, my brother. Let it be so. That is it.
What I am saying is that sometimes some things have to be done to avoid problems.
Listen, Nosike, I don't understand your basis of argument in this matter.
Look, Eso himself said that he was not interested in the girl. Since Jekube has shown more interest, why don't we allow him to marry the girl?
Nosike, what are you talking about? You want us to go against the plans of only Sebinigwe, eh?
Don't mind him. Don't mind him at all. Yeah, Nosike, I think you still have some grudges against Eso.
That is not true.
If it is not true, why do you have to speak like this? Eh? Now I don't care where the truth lies. I, Madindo, will not be alive to see that girl married to Jekupe.
Why?
I know that Eso has been a beast. But this is something that is well arranged by the Olisebinigwe. And him alone knows his reason. So what are we talking about?
True talk, my brother. True talk. You don't understand what? Let us go.
If you don't understand, then understand.
Let's go.
What is it?
I don't understand this. I don't understand it.
If you didn't understand, then understand.
Imagine. You said something. And it's trying to go against it. You have something else in your mind.
What do you have in your mind? What else do you have?
You have two one sinners. Now make one man.
Catch your phone.
Critical times call for critical response. It is getting tougher by the day. You've got to be double careful, okay?
What exactly are you talking about?
Listen, I can't say all for now, but I want you to know that there is so much evil lurking in the dark, and you have to always be on guard.
Has it got anything to do with Madundo's death?
Fear not, my love. I will always be with you. I have to run.
But you... And I will always be with you.
Zipporah! Zipporah! Zipporah!
My prince.
I thought I asked you to see me in my hut.
Yes, my prince. But Prince Eso asked me to come.
Never mention that name before me again.
Jekupe, what's going on here?
Shut up and get back to where you're coming from. Else I shall return you to Olisabinigwe.
You realize who you're talking to?
Yes, I realize who I'm talking to. I'm talking to a useless fool that derives joy in parading himself as the one and only.
Zipporah. What happened?
He asked me to come to his hut. But that was the same time he asked me to send some fruits to Father. Oh, I was only trying to explain to him where he's left.
What is it?
Have you lost it? Have you gone mad? What is wrong with you? Ogene! Jekupe! Eso! Nonsense! Move him! Shift him! Ogene! What a shame. What a shame.
This is just the beginning. Owosobunam, I shall give you war in abundance.
It all ends today.
Take it.
What is happening? What's that?
Shh. Don't speak. Come with me now. Hurry!
Where? How? Why?
Hurry!
The girl. She always seems to appear each time I want to take him out. I'm trying. I am trying. I will take him down. But it's just the girl. Prepare to invade.
It is near, my dear.
Be strong. You are the great leopard of Izuroke. Be strong.
Everything happens in time and seasons. My soul will find peace if I transit before the royal rock.
Please stop saying that. You will be fine.
Obinigwe is on the path of justice. The marriage, the royal marriage must take place. No force will prevent it.
As Olisa Binigwe wishes. As he wishes.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, that's okay. You'll be fine.
What is it?
Evil. Great wickedness. The hour has come.
Run! Where?
Wait, run! Run this way!
I am Angulo, the ageless. I never grew old. As I am, so have I always been. When King Cobra waits so long for its kind to get out of the way for it to feed on its prey, it takes both its kind and the prey. You have brought this upon yourself. Hey! Warrior!
No daughter of the ancient order can be harmed. Olisabini Wele! I am only but a servant, great chosen one of Olisa.
Udo. There is no hiding place for the wicked.
I have no dealings with you. Stay away.
No one stands on the way fully Sabine. I am a running. I am his servant, and his work I must do. It is your work that I am doing. I decrease for you to increase, Holy Sabine. speak, I hear only Sabinigwe. I humble myself before you. Speak. I am hearing you.
Make sure you tell the guards to clean everywhere. Palace must be.
Ureka, set preparations rolling immediately. The royal wedding must take place right away.
Thank you. Go and tell the guards to get ready for this royal wedding. Let them clean everywhere. Go, go! Maidens! Maidens! Go and prepare for this royal wedding at once. Go, go!
All the guards, leave whatever you are doing. Prepare for the royal wedding.
Everybody get ready. Prepare for the royal wedding.
Mago legala, umagayagaya awu ah. Umagayagaya se aga kazo. Muwalaga akiso kwaka. Sabi ka muyagala ka kunaka ka. Ya kayo kana ya. Mayagala ya asumana ke alhogare.
We all are aware that recently our land, Izuruke, came under intense evil. But today marks the end of an era of terror. And so, with the authority on me as the humble servant of Olisa Binigwe and the permission of our sick leader, I ask both of you, Eso, Ralo Olisa, come and kneel before the nuptial pots. Step forward.
Stop! Stop! Stay right there.
Oh, Jakube, the royal son with evil heart.
Almost something I told you. You will never ascend this throne. Yeah?
He sure will.
Yes. Yes.
I can see you've grown wings. I shall get back to you when I'm done with him.
No! I think I should start with you first. Great people of Izuroke, I think it's time for me to announce to you who this beast is. I think I should let them know the humiliation I have suffered in the hands of this monster.
who has continually raped me ever since the very first I stepped my feet into this homestead. Beast, rape.
He's going to kill and destroy. You talk, you're dead.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings, Zipporah. Won't you greet the prince?
Greetings, Prince Jacob.
Greetings, Zipporah.
Zipporah, is this for real?
Every day. Every single day.
No! You must have to do something about this. You have to report him to his mother at once.
God. He might harm me.
No, he won't. He won't. This is becoming too much. He won't do nothing. Huh. I really feel for you. Sorry.
On the day I wove Eso's hair.
Please, my daughter.
Please, my daughter. Today, all that needs to be known has been revealed to him. I have forgiven him because has been broken.
I shall weave his hair.
Only Sabini Bedano.
Thank you, my daughter.
Jacob was initiated by savages in order to ruin his brother's reputation, force him to his death, ascend the royal rock, and have access into his rookie. Whatever Eso did in the past was under the manipulation of Jacob. Eso has never been a bad person all this while. Jacob has been the painted sepulchre.
You all can keep shouting. I'm all I care. I want someone who will never stand in this throne.
You lie. You are lying.
Yes.
I can't believe that I carried a wretched monster like you in my womb.
Shut up! Shut up!
I regret the day I conceived you. And may that day be cursed forever.
I shall ascend this rock.
And I say, that will be after my funeral.
Yes! All right then. Prepare for your funeral.
Okay.
I want him. I want him.
I guess you were looking for this.
Hey!
Who gave you that? Who gave you?
I did. And I slipped in the fake one for you, beast.
Don't move!
Please, don't harm me anymore.
Why shouldn't I?
Remember, I saved you from the savages.
Oh, that I know the truth about. And also the drama with the savages.
Be on guard. The evil is roaming about seeking for souls to devour. Yes. Roaming about like a roaring lion, seeking for souls to devour. Evil begets evil. This soul that sinneth must die. He that kills by sword must die by sword. The heart of man is evil and wicked. Oh, many are the afflictions of the righteous, but only Sabinigwe will deliver them from all. I tell you on this day, as the humble servant of Holy Sabinigwe, many shall fall by your side. 1,000 shall fall by your right side. They shall not come near you. Only with your eyes you will see and behold the destruction of Ndiojo. Ndiojo. For those who dwell in the secret place of Holy Sabinigwe shall abide under the shadow of Chukwu Kikabiama. Ranu Lisa, Onwe Subunamu, step forward and kneel before the nuptial pot. Stretch forth your hands before the Lord. I join both of you as one. You shall have dominion. Go forth and make royal and graceful descendants. Real sons and gifted daughters.
The scent of my son is as the odor of a field that Olisa himself has blessed. And may he give you the dews of the heavens and the fatness of the earth and the abundance of grain and new wine. Let peoples bow down before you and nations bow before you. May you be masters of your ways. Let everyone be cursed that curses you, and be favored with blessings who blesses you. Is this really the end of darkness, or the beginning?
Creator of heaven and earth, provider and protector of your people. We praise you for your goodness. We praise you for you hear us when we call upon you. And we thank you for saving your people and healing the land.
Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies. And we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe.
Holy Sabinigwe, Chukwu Okike. You are the Father, and we are your children. You are our not allowed your enemies to triumph over us, but you have given us victory over our enemies. So we lift our hands in praise, for we dwell in the secret place of the Most High, and we abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Holy Sabinigwe.
Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies, and we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies, and we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe.